And welcome back, guys, to my channel. Welcome back, guys. So before we start the video, guys, first of all, just make sure to join the community by sharing this video, by liking this video, and also the most important part is to subscribe to this channel, guys. So as I said in the previous video, guys, if you have any idea about your house, if you need to customize any type of house, if you need any explanation about structure design, just hit me up, right? I'm gonna leave my link and my my email address in my YouTube description channel. Okay, so if you have any question, you can just ask me. Okay, but before we start, guys, before we design the second floor, I want to make sure that we didn't skip any step. And by skipping steps, I mean I'm gonna try to finalize first our balcony, guys. So I'm gonna just make this video short. So I'm gonna design the roof to this balcony, right? So all of my videos usually show you how to make a floor, so I'm gonna skip the step. So first of all, to make a roof on the balcony here on this side here, we need a floor. All right, we need a floor to support our roof. Okay, so I did this already, but I can show you just the same step. So I just made a line. I use floor, and I use the line type to create straight line. So just make sure that the boundary of the line occupy all of the extremities, you can see, right? And just press OK. And also, because okay, I'm gonna show something. I'm gonna explain to you something here. All right, so I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna go on height offset. So I change my height offset from 0 to 0.5 because, you know, like if I leave 0.5 here, if the balcony, let's say the balcony and the wall, I mean, let's say if the floor and the wall have different materials, right? So let me just put 0.5. Let me just put 0 here, 0.0. You're gonna see the different. And then I'm gonna play, okay. All right. You're gonna see the wall and the floor intersects each other, right? So you see, so this is not clear, this is not clean, this is like more, this look more ugly, I can say, right? So just to make it more or like different from each other, just make sure uh to select the floor. You just select the floor and then try to add the height offset maybe from 0 to 0.5. Right, I usually like put 0.5 because it's kind of simple to remember. Okay, and then you just apply. Okay, and then you're gonna see the flow is different. The flow is not merged with the wall. All right, it's merged, but the flow is on top of the wall. It should be like that, right? No, the wall and the top attached to each other. It should be attached, but set from the floor and then the wall. Okay, okay, guys. So after having our floor, we need to have our roof, right? And what I need my roof to have a slope to make it more beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna explain to you how to do the roof. So after this video, you're gonna understand everything about roof. Okay, so I'm gonna go. So this is my fourth floor, I think, right? This is my fourth floor. Okay, just the name. It's not fourth floor. It's just a name. Just like a fourth floor. But if you go on, let's open fourth floor here. If you go on floor plan here and then go on fourth floor, let me just level 4. You're gonna this is our our floor, right? And then I need, so for this floor I need to put my roof on it. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna just go on architecture and then I'm gonna go on roof. So it should be any type of roof. Just click on a roof. Don't pick any specific type of roof. But for if you want to edit the thickness, the material, can just edit. You know how to edit, right? Just go on the left part here on the roof, and then just go on edit type. And before you edit, you have to duplicate, because if you don't duplicate, everything gonna change according to your modification. Okay, so I won't change anything. Just I'm gonna press OK. And here I can pick line. I can use pick line. Pick line's option is more quick, but for this part, because I have a specific line that I need to use, so I'm gonna use the line option to create floors. To create roof. So I'm gonna click on it, and then you can see, right, this is really important. I'm gonna show how It's gonna vary. It's gonna change. You can see I didn't define any slope yet. I didn't define any chain and any offsets. Nothing. So I'm gonna just design. I'm gonna just put and let me just put one here, one line here. So it should be intersect each other. Like it should be a close figure. Okay, here and then also here. Okay, so if I click on OK, so that's me to attach the wall, and the roof of course should be attached. I'm gonna press attached, and if I go on 3D view, right? Oh, hold on first. Let me modify this one. Oh yeah, so it doesn't look nice at all, right? It doesn't look nice. It look like a flow, look like something, like it doesn't look nice, right? But if I click on it, and then go on edit footprint, right? And then if I if I just click on this part here or on this line, and then go on define slope, right? And then press OK, and then you're gonna see it change, right? The slope change. So it doesn't matter. So I can change this type of roof. Right? It's just an example, right? I'm giving to you, right? So the roof can be changed. Don't worry, guys. So if I click on it, I can go on. We have many type of roof. Okay, let me just go on the basic one. Let me just go on this part here, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna change the roof. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I need my slope. I need to have a slope, all right, for both sides. So I'm gonna just again select the roof, and then edit footprint, and then this part also here. I'm gonna put a slope. Okay, I'm gonna define a slope on it. So this part, this x axis and this x axis here, they have a slope. Okay, so I'm gonna just press on OK for both of them, and then now I have what I want. Okay, I have what I want already. You can say I have what I want. Okay, and then you can see, right? You can see that we have a block here, right? So everything is closed here. So we need to at least open it, unless if you have any installation to do in the roof, right? Like if you wanna use the cable, the electricity stuff, right? So you need to have at least um airflow, something where you can have access to the roof, or to, like a small window. So what I'm gonna do here, so there are many basic windows you can do. Like if you go on window, um okay, I like going to insert and then load family. So under load family, if you go the first one, if you click on window, and then just click on window, and if you go on so the main type of window here, so you have to be a little bit picky. So that first of all, there's a window fixed round top. We also have many. You have also rounds. You can use a round. You can use a quarter round. I like the quarter round. The fixed pentagon. This is the one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the fixed pentagon. I'm gonna click on it and then just open it, and then I'm gonna pick the which size should I take? I'm gonna pick this side, the second last size, and then I'm gonna press OK. And then from here, I'm gonna press it in the middle here. I'm gonna just press the window in the middle here. Okay? And if I wanna move it, just press escape, just click on escape with your keyboard, and then select this part and then move it a little bit to where you wanna put it. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, let me just see. All right, and you can see, right, this floor should be colored according to the wall. So it's gonna make uh this this view to be more beautiful, right? It's like if I just let me see which type of wall I'm using. So let me just click on the wall. I'm gonna see which type of material that I need to have the same color. So I'm gonna just go on wall. Let me see which type of wall I'm using. So I'm gonna go on edit. I'm using exterior insulation. Okay, exterior insulation. All right, I'm using exterior insulation, and let me see which material that I used. So I used the EIFS, and it is the same color. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna press OK. So I won't change anything here, just want to see which wall I use, I mean which type of wall I use. So for if I select my floor, the one that I create at the beginning of the video, so I need to modify the color. I need at least to have a green color. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select it. It has been selected, and then I'm gonna edit it. Just edit type, and then go on edit, and then here I'm gonna change the material type. I won't put the roofing. I'll put the roofing. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna just click on this part here, and then I'm gonna look for exterior, right? So exterior, exterior insulation. Yeah, this one. It should be green, and then green, and then here, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. All right. Yeah, much better. It's kind of much better. Um, so uh, I think for the roof it should be red. I don't think this color is nice for the roof, so let me just make it red. Let me just click on here, and then I think I should have a red roof. Okay, if I don't have, I'm gonna just make sure I select the roof, and then just go and edit type. I'm gonna duplicate this part. I'm gonna just say generic 400 millimeter filled, let's say a red color, a red. Let me just put red, and then okay, and then I'm gonna go and edit. And then for the material, we don't have any material yet, so it's empty, but the thickness is 400, so it's big though. So I'll use the insulation. I'm gonna use other thing. Let me just tap roof. Let me see if I have type of roof. I have the cavity. I have the so we have many type of roof. Let me use the felts here, the roofing felts. It has the red color, but this is too much red. Let me just see if I can modify a little bit on it. I want it to be a little bit dark red, so it won't be shiny from far. Let me see how much percentage. So you can see the red is 85. The green is 0 and the blue is 0, so that is better. And then okay, modify it already, so let me see how it's gonna look. It's okay, just apply and then okay. All right, so as you can see, we have our material. So if you want to add more, you can add more material here. You can add a little, like much material that you as much as you want. Okay, and then just press okay, and then okay, and then it should be right. Okay. All right, guys. So we're gonna have some modification to do at the end of the video, but not now. For the next video, it's gonna come soon. Just make sure to stick to this series. You're gonna learn a lot of things. And then, guys, as I said before at the beginning of the video, if you need any explanation, or if you need any explanation about structure design, or if you need to customize, sorry guys, if you need to customize any house plan, a nice house plan, tall building, just text us. And yeah, let's chat. All right, guys. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.